In a steering call for action, former MDC Alliance and the CCC Youth Assembly spokesperson Stephen Sakosi Chuma has urged the Zimbabweans to confront head-on the authoritarian rule of President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sandapinda Mashuko Ataugwa, awana CCC Youth Assembly spokesperson. Look up and subscribe on the bell icon. Saka speaking out against the entrenched dictatorship, Chuma's words resonate as a rallying cry for change in a nation grappling with the political oppression and economic turmoil. His words, delivered with conviction, serve as a wake-up call to a nation on a brink of despair. Imagine, during the liberation struggle, if people were just folding hands, waiting for Robert Mugabe and Joshua Ngomo to liberate them, Chuma exclaimed. Surely, Ian Smith not in 1,000 years would have fulfilled. We can't relegate our struggle to Nelson Chamisa alone. With each word, Chuma underscores the urgency of situation, drawing parallels between the struggles of the past and the challenges of the present. Ndo mashiko anayotoka panapa aiwa na CCC youth leader, CCC youth spokesperson anatoa mashiko kuti aiwa tofana kuita something tinonyasoradza tunoita head-on collision na Idi Mnangagwa kuenda against na Idi Mnangagwa noti tikatarisa kumashure panguva yedu yecolonization aiwa vana Robert Gabriel Mugabe vakatozosvika pakutozonoita head-on collision chaiko chaiko nemaWhites kuti tikwanise kuwana independence. So isusu tikufesa machallenges nokuda kweZANU-PF. Let's take a move inonyasa kuratidza kuti aiwa isusu hatichadi. Ndo mashoko ari kutagwa aiwa nevanhu veopposition veCCC. Saka chimbotuzei mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko avataura. Pinai mucomment section medu, sangana subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.